how to insert pictures in MS Word. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to learn how you can easily add images to assignments or formatting reports in MS Word Mobile. First of all, open the Microsoft Word app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open up any document where you want the picture. I'm just opening up this same document over here. Once you open up the document, go ahead and select anywhere on the screen where you want to insert your picture. Once you see the typing cursor, this is where you can insert the picture on. Now go ahead and tap on the plus button at the bottom left and then click on either of the picture option if you want to add the picture from your device's camera. This one over here, tap on it and this will take you to your device's camera roll. From here, select any picture you'd like to add. Once you are done selecting the picture, tap the tick mark at the top right and your picture will be inserted in your document as you can see it on the page. You can also go ahead and move the image by selecting it and dragging it around the pages. Place it in a desired area. If you want to take a picture from your device's camera right away, all you need to do is to find the second spot or the spot and tap the plus icon. Select the camera button and allow access for your device's camera by tapping allow. And this will open up your device's camera as you can see it on the screen. Now you can take a photo from your device's camera and after taking the image, you can tap on use photo. Now the picture has been added in your document. So that way you can easily add pictures in your Microsoft Word application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.